Hello everyone, this is my review of Mrs. Cubbison's Everything Seasoned Cheese Crisps. You immediately get that classic everything seasoning taste, a mix of savory, salty, and slightly garlicky notes, paired with real cheese. It tastes bold but not overpowering, and you can tell it's made from actual cheese, not fillers. The crunch is really satisfying. These crisps are light and crispy without being too brittle, so they're great for snacking straight out of the bag. They also work really well as a salad topper. I've used them instead of croutons, and they add a lot more flavor and crunch. If you're watching carbs or trying to snack smarter, these feel like a great alternative to chips or crackers while still feeling indulgent. Because they're made from real cheese, they are a bit rich, so a small portion goes a long way. Overall, if you want a crunchy, flavorful, keto-friendly snack that also works great on salads or soups, these everything seasoned cheese crisps are definitely worth trying. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.